Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Grains are slightly higher overnight. We've got stock market up, crude up, and the dollar mixed. Yesterday, the strength in the dollar weighed on a lot of commodities, especially corn and wheat. It's kind of a tale of two cities right now, in which weather seems to be less than ideal in South America, while the demand for U.S. corn, bean, and wheat exports continue to be on the low side relative to last year, especially in the beans and wheat. So it's hard for market to sustain rallies here at these price levels if we don't have the export demand behind us. The other thing, as far as weather is concerned, again, there were some showers, and there will be some showers in parts of Argentina and southern Brazil over the next week or two. But we expect more ridging and higher temperatures, and especially in southern Brazil, that probably poses a problem, even though there might be some showers around. The governors of Mato Grosso do Sul and Paraná states in Brazil declared a state of emergency, and the Paraná ag minister said their bean yields could be down 39%, which would equal 10 million metric tons. We did see one private group yesterday lower their Brazil soybean crop estimate to 134 million tons versus the USDA's 144. We also saw that, from an Argentina standpoint, they're talking about maybe a 52 million ton crop of corn versus the USDA's 54.5. And Brazil, somebody brought the crop down to 113 versus 118. So we'll just kind of see if these reductions is enough to push the markets through resistance. 1369 is probably an important price for March beans. 1384 would even be more important to push through to find new buying. In the corn, we had an outside day closing lower yesterday. The market right now needs to trade back over that 603 area on the March to turn positive. We saw wheat prices continue to trade lower yesterday because of the higher dollar and also the low U.S. export pace and the fact that U.S. wheat prices are still not competitive to net buyers. Again, nearby wheat, 758, Chicago 93 in KC. And for KC, we also had an outside day trading lower. We need to get back over that 817 area to reflect a more uptrend. We did see the USDA drop Kansas winter wheat conditions at 33% good to excellent. It was 51 in December and 62 in November. Oklahoma is also 20% good to excellent versus 48% in November. Illinois, though, is a soft wheat crop, 75% good to excellent versus 79 in November and 50 last year. So we'll just kind of see the tug of war between the possibility of lower supply in South America versus what the USDA might say on January 12th and the slow U.S. export demand. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.